A movie download service has a $14 monthly fee for membership. Then it costs $3 to rent each movie. 15. If we model the cost, Y, of renting a certain number of movies a month, X, what is the slope of the line? Well, that would be the thing that is changing constantly, that varies. Remember that fee, the membership fee, that is set. So the slope is going to be 3. So the cost increases for each movie rented. That's what's happening, right? And then they ask, what is the y-intercept of the line? That would be the starting point. So if you didn't rent any movies, your monthly fee would be $14, right? So this is the cost if no movies were rented. Then it says use the slope-intercept form to write an equation that models the cost in terms of movies rented. So that's at y equals mx plus b. So y equals, what was the slope? 3. So y equals 3x. What was the y coordinate of our y-intercept? 14. So 3x plus 14.